How to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open roblox.com on your browser. Log into your account. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three dots, scroll down and click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, in here at the top in the search bar, search Cache. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Then in here, make sure there's tick mark in all these options. Then press on Time Range and make sure it's all time. After you've done that, press on Delete Data at the bottom. After you've clicked on Delete Data, you can log into your account again and you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox thinking you're on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.